Hello and welcome everyone, CarMAN back with another video, and today finally I'm going to be sharing with you guys my Jaguar XJR Supercharged. It's currently pretty dirty right now, so I'm going to clean it up and give it a good detail. So I hope you guys enjoy these clips, and please stick around until the end of the video. I have a double giveaway as I promised, so I'll catch you guys in a few minutes. So as promised, I have my daily giveaways, but today it's not just one, it's two giveaways. And the first thing that I'm giving away is this Jaguar's clay kit. This is the same kit that I used earlier today on this video. It has the quick detailer and the clay bars. And the second bundle of products that I'm giving away is this Lexol deep cleaner and leather conditioner, and also a horsehair bristled brush. This really comes in handy in cleaning up your leather seats. So if you guys want to enter this giveaway, all you have to do is like this video, drop a comment down below, and subscribe to my channel. And I'm going to be deciding the winner for this giveaway and all the previous giveaways as well on December 31st, 2018. So please be on the lookout for that, and I'll catch you guys tomorrow with another video. Thank you.